How to sell on Craigslist for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can sell on Craigslist for beginners, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to sell on Craigslist, go to craigslist.org and log into your Craigslist account, then tap on the post option from the top right hand side of the screen. Now you can see what kind of posting is this: job, gig, resume, housing, sale, or wanted, or whatever else it is right here. Once you've done that, you can simply select what kind of categories are you selling over here, and once you've done that, enter your posting title, the price, the city or neighborhood, the zip code, the description about the product that you're trying to sell. And once you've done that, you can enter your email. If you don't want to use your phone number, you don't want to use it, then leave it. Otherwise you can tap on show my phone number and you can allow the people to use a phone number. Otherwise the buyer will actually try to contact you by your email, so make sure that you're active on your email. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then sell on Craigslist for beginners. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.